Welcome you all to this video. In this video, we have to know about how to delete a subdomain in cPanel. Introduction. A subdomain, for example test.example.com, is used to organize different sections of a website. When a subdomain is no longer needed, it should be removed to maintain a clean and efficient hosting environment. The cPanel interface provides an easy way to delete subdomains. Prerequisites. Before proceeding, ensure the following. You have valid access to your cPanel account. You know the exact subdomain name you want to delete. The subdomain is no longer in use. A backup has been taken if any important data exists. Steps to delete a subdomain in cPanel. Step 1. Log into cPanel. Access your cPanel account using your username and password. Step 2. Navigate to Domains. From the cPanel dashboard, go to the Domains section. Click on Domains. Step 3. Find a subdomain. Locate the subdomain you want to delete from the list. Step 4. Open the Manage option. Click on Manage next to the selected subdomain. Step 5. Remove the subdomain. Click on Remove Domain. Confirm the deletion when prompted. Conclusion. Deleting a subdomain in cPanel is a quick and straightforward process. By following the above steps, you can efficiently manage and remove unused subdomains, helping keep your hosting account organized and clutter-free. Thank you. Like, subscribe, and share.